Per special request, it's round two of some burps. Load up with some carbs. I mean, carbonation by carbs. It's coming out in little increments. It's not bad. It's not heavy burps. Come back with the third round. I don't know how many that was in a row. That wasn't bad for a bunch in a row.